What is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? So sorry for the technical difficulties. Our internet was just being a pain, and so I think we're good now. So funny. I have to really be wary of the shirts that I wear with the green screen. If it has any green in it, it's obviously going to be showing through. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're feeling well. Welcome to the late night live stream. Hopefully everything is working well. I think we're good now. I think we're good. Our kilobytes, our bit rate is looking nice. It's looking juicy. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. We're gonna talk a little bit about Bitcoin post-halving, what altcoins are performing well after the halving, because I think that is a key thing to keep in mind for the next couple weeks, next couple months, basically just for the rest of the year, for the bags that I'm accumulating, the things that we want to watch, because we want to look and see which coins are not really moving at all. We want to see what coins are actually being scooped up by maybe institutional buyers, by maybe even the normies, but then also the people that are in crypto DeFi that just know that something is about to happen. So let's see what those narratives are. Let's figure it out together, and let's smash up the likes. So that also helps build the stream. Make sure if you're new to the channel, make yourselves known, say hi, and make sure you come into the live streams at 11:30 a.m. that we do from Monday through Saturday, and we do those every single day. We've been consistent for the past 2 weeks now, so we're going to keep consistent with that. We're going to be going all through the bull market, and if you haven't yet, please go to the Dano Crypto Discord, and the link is in the main YouTube description. And you guys, we have now over 60 members, and we're going to be constantly making updates. What's going on? Shout out to Crypto Naughty, a fellow Dano Dojo member, where we train in the martial art of crypto. So, guys, I feel like I just came into the 24th and a half century. I got a new iPhone. Oh my gosh. So I finally swayed away from the iPhone SE, which is the last iPhone they make that has the button. And so what I did now is I'm going to turn my previous iPhone into a miner. So it's already been mining XYO. So this particular phone now is just going to be mining XYO. So now everywhere I go, I will just be always having this phone on to mine as much XYO as possible. What's going on? Yoga with the Omis. Shout out to Yoga with the Omis. Welcome to the stream. I hope you guys are feeling well. Hope you got through the week strong. We're coming in. We're in the weekend. Tomorrow is Sunday. So let's check the trades. Let's look at the trades. People are really bullish on Doge. Doge is actually trending right now. I think if we were to go into what is trending right now, we saw Doge trending. Where were we? We saw Doge just a second ago on Twitter. It's weird. Sometimes the trending will pop up very fast, and then on the side here, on the side panel, and it'll go away. So I don't know what happened. But yeah, we're seeing that Dogecoin was trending in finance. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is at $64,683. We had a pump up to 65. We told you guys that we were going to see a pump to 65 and then see a possible rejection off of that, at least at the top of the band. So when we were looking at that, that was the top of the band. Very close. Now the band has obviously moved, but when we were looking at this pattern, if we go into, we got two different live stream dashboards running. Hold on just a second here. Let's go to here, and let's go to our live stream from yesterday. All right, let's see. Or no, this was just this morning. No, we need to look at this one. This is what we want to look at. We want to see where we were looking at Bitcoin. Where is it? Yeah. Oh, no. Trying to find it. It's in there somewhere, but yeah, if you go back in that video, that is where we were saying that Bitcoin would be trading to the top of the band. So we did do it. All right, so now let's look and see what so whoa, Nvidia down 10%. Jeez. Nvidia just got beat down. I don't know what happened there. Very interesting move there. All right, so overall, right now, the market has taken a dip. Yeah, I know. Gosh, 10%. It's like an altcoin move. Not good. Not good. We're watching Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu. We could see a break to 11 cents. It's in a big descending wedge. Possible due for a breakout. We're in a bull flag for me token. So we're just pointing on all these different pennants that we see on the charts. We are now post-halving in Bitcoin. Isn't that crazy, guys? We were talking about the halving coming up like so much, and now it's over. It's done. Now we see what happens. Now time will tell. Now only time will tell. All right. You guys saw how Floki moved today. I told you guys that Floki was going to be putting in some moves. So what we did is we went into the Floki trade. So we are currently looking at 3 zeros, 23,674 for our value area high for Floki. So what's going on with Floki right now? Is there some bullish news on Floki? All right, so this is a Floki price prediction as Floki bounces 8% as meme coin makes a comeback. Time to buy. So this was just yesterday. So the Floki price has jumped by as much as 8% today, rising to 14.18 as the cryptocurrency market as a whole increased by 5%. Floki is now down by 26% in the week and by 21% in the month. So although the popular Ethereum and BNB-based meme coin token has gained by an impressive 310% in a year, this sets it up nicely for a strong comeback in the near future, with the wider market preparing for the possibility of a post-Bitcoin halving rally. So this is kind of what I was seeing on the chart as well, was a rally here. We were looking at Floki, and did we mark Floki on here on the chart? Yep, we marked Floki here. We were seeing that on, if you look at Floki on the weekly, we're actually here on the daily. So the daily and the 4 hour, that we could be, it was this candle. Look at this, yeah, no, it's the daily. I think it was the daily. Yeah, look at this daily candle right here. This daily candle was a 66% move. Look at this candle. Okay, so we only cleared about half of the distance of this candle on Floki. So we got about almost halfway up, pretty close. So this move we saw a 19% move. This was a 66% move. So can we see in the next day or the next week see a Floki rally going up to test this previous resistance here, or just get this support to lead up into these prices to test what would appear to be a descending wedge here? Or this would look also like a flag. Test up into these levels. Floki's looking kind of sweet. So it's almost like these dog coins and Pepe are looking really juicy right now. So this is the trend that I'm following. This is the narrative that I'm following right now. Let me know, guys, in the chat what you are doing right now. I would love to know what you're doing. So we were talking about Ton coin. So we did get we got into Ton coin. We also see that Ton coin has a potential to break back up to that $7.73 level. Ton coin has the potential to come up and to be a top 5 crypto chain. What if it ends up surpassing Solana? Would be crazy. Be absolutely nuts, guys. Would be absolutely nuts. All right, so right now in the 5-minute, the best performing coins, we have Stacks, Render, Fetch AI, Theta. We have Optimism, AGIX, Ton, Pepe. Best performers on the day has been Floki. So put a thumbs up, and a dog in the chat if you've been trading dog coins. Have you been trading dog coins? All right, guys. We definitely got to get the likes up. That would be cool. I would appreciate it. We're gonna go through a couple of news articles. We're gonna go through a couple charts. We're just gonna hang out for just a little while. We're not gonna stream for too long. We are gonna stream for just probably, do about 35 minute stream. Thanks for being here. So Ton coin, just in terms of the what the potential is, let's go into it real quick. Ton coin, number 9 in terms of market cap. Let's go to the website. So the open network for anyone, for startups, a decentralized and open internet created by the community using a technology designed by Telegram. So let's see, explore wallets. Got Ton Keeper, Ton Hub, My Ton Wallet, CryptoBot. Nice. Open Mask, Trust Wallet. Okay, awesome. Then you have Ton Wallet, Ton Rocket, Gem. There's a lot of wallets. BitGet Wallet. So nice. I like that they have Trust Wallet support. So staking it, apps and services. So stake and validator pools right from your wallets. Nice. I wonder if you can do it right through the Trust Wallet. Nice. Yeah, Ton coin is gonna be Ton coin is gonna be something. It's gonna be something. Let's see what is it trading on right now? Yeah, Toncoin right now, it's not listed on Coinbase. It's on Bybit though, it's on OKX. So Stone.fi looks like it's getting the most volume here, but then the Ton wrapped ETH on Ethereum that has some volume too. But it looks like the Ton chain itself actually has really great volume. So we've been talking about Ton. So we finally pulled the trigger. All right, right now, are we seeing a BTC retracement here? Been having to get used to standing with this standing desk. It's a whole new experience. But it's cool though. I feel like I got a really nice dialed in setup. Oh, and guys, Matic today. Matic did really well. Matic today, 9%. A 9% move on Matic. So for all you Matic fans out there, you know Matic's going to be going to over $1.50, over $1. I mean, it's going to go to all-time highs. Matic is a very strong project. It's got a lot of liquidity. All-time high was $2.93. So I do believe that Matic has the potential to go to $5 in this bull run. Yeah, Matic holders aim for a 21% rally. So is it possible? So, I mean, I think we could. I mean, why be that? You know, conservative. Let's go for a 63% rally. Let's go for the top of this resistance here. Oh, Matic. Well, yeah, because they have like the ZK EVM thing. They got the whatever they made, their other token, can't even remember what it's called. Man, what is it called? Is it pop? Is it? I can't remember what it, I will have to look it up. Yeah, what is the yeah, what is it? It's oh, why I can't find it? Let's see. Yeah, I don't see it. I can't find it. Man, it's so crazy, guys. When you really start to like work on a computer more, there's all these things that you realize that like you have to hack in to not do weird stuff. Like, for instance, like I've been like this part of my hand has been getting so rubbed, and I've been pressing on it because of the way that I'm using my mouse. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to be like old school 90s and have like the gel pad or something like that, or something nice and soft to where like I'm not pressing on this part of my hand, because even just doing that for long periods of time, it's like, it's crazy. All right, so we've been showing this article as just a reference of what people are buying and what they're interested in. So majority of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe holders remain profitable despite latest crypto corrections. So even with the volatility, investing in Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe over time through the year can play out to be profitable, even with the volatility of Bitcoin. So it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Now, Link is looking good right now. All the Link fans out there. We need to look at BTC. The Bitstamp chart. We like the Bitstamp chart. Are we going to see... Are we going to see another push and test tonight? We could get another test tonight of 65 and go right and test the top of the band at 66,005. Could be something. Could be something for the short term here. Solana's been doing really well from this bottom. Could test back down into the trend here. Let me know, all you Solana fans. That's so crazy, guys. Now, the next halving is going to be happening on my birthday in 2028. I said that's when I'll be a billionaire. As long as all cards and opportunities are played right, with minimal amount of fear, dedication, Kanye level confidence, I think we could get there. I think we could get there, guys. All right, so if you guys haven't hit the like button yet, that would be amazing. Let's do it. All right. So I'll tell you what I did. So we took some profits off of Pepe and Floki, and we rolled it into Toncoin. Because we're going to see a nice push on Toncoin. Easy back up to our take profit, which is at $7.71. You can see it right here. So what we're gonna do this time, is take profits on the way down. We're gonna set some take profits on all these trades. We're gonna set take profits at lower levels as well. And we'll make sure we have stop losses set so we don't make the same mistake that we did just a few days ago with the volatility that we experienced with that nice Bitcoin dump. So we're going to make sure we do that this time. So let's see what's up overall on the month in the top 100 is Pendle, ICP, Core. Crypto Naughty saying, I still need Sol to rip up 15%. See, on the month, Toncoin. Best performers on the year in the top 100 has been Pepe, Akash, Tau, Solana, Injective. Injection. Fetch AI, Floki, Pendle. Okay, so Maybe here, this is what we need to pay attention to here, guys. Floki, Akash, Pepe, Pendle, Render. That's what I'm seeing here in Fetch. So Fetch, Floki, Pendle, Render, Sol, Akash, Pepe. Oh, and Ronin. All great projects. You got AI. You got a layer 1. Akash is a layer 2, I believe. Or it's a layer 1. Oh, it's an osmosis chain. Okay, that's it. So it's like a cross. It's like a cross chain. All right, guys. So we did actually indeed swap. We swapped into some bento, and we actually made a 3x. It's still going up a little bit, so we'll see what happens with this. We'll see if we can actually get our money out once we... Yeah, Floki win. Floki win Lambo. Let's go. Shout out to Mr. Allen TV. Yeah, win Floki Lambo. Yeah, I mean, I just saw it. The chart was looking bullish on Floki. The chart was looking bullish on Floki, and so we took advantage of it, and I think we're still due for a nice, massive run on Floki. I mean, if you look at this is what I'm looking at is the daily. If you look at the daily candle that happened right here, and we'll zoom in a little bit, we'll let you see it, and this candle right here, this one right here, wonder how Grayscale's new ETF will influence the market. We'll see, because we got the, that GBTC, sell-off stuff, and then the conversion, and we'll see what happens. Might be a race between all these people to get more Bitcoin. So it's just going to be bullish for Bitcoin overall, because they're not going to stop buying Bitcoin. They're just going to keep trying to get as much as they can. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, this looks bullish, because if we get a move, we get a push to the upside here. We get a rally like this candle to the top of even just to the top of the wick. That's 54%. So I want to copy that price, and let's see what the potential profit could be on Floki, because then we will 100% add some more on this trade. Yeah, that would be a 656% trade of it going at least to that top resistance point. So we definitely, if we see it really breaking bullish, we'll definitely put some more on the table for Floki. But the trades are looking good. We're making back some losses that we acquired. I love saying losses acquired. It's funny. It's funny to say that. Like an oxymoron. Thank you guys for coming into the live stream. Sorry, I know we started late. Took a little longer to get from the destination that I was at, but I have a live stream. I have to do what I say, even though if we're just a little late, we're still making it happen. We're still making it happen, guys. So I appreciate you being with me and hitting the likes and all that stuff. Really do appreciate it. We have one person watching on, finally we got one person watching on Facebook. Oh, they're gone. We did have one watching on Facebook, and we have one watching on Twitch. We got 4 on X. We got 5 on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. We had a little bit of a technical internet difficulty on the start, but now I think we're good. Now I think we're good. Oh no, that's a real nice way to have the frame stop on your face. Yeah, look, Ton Coin's getting bullish. Ton Coin's getting bullish. I like how that's looking. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Guys, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It's the YouTube currency. If you don't hit the like button, you're watching on the TV, up, right, select, then it doesn't get this stream out to the world. It does not get this stream out to the world, and people just leave. They say, we're not staying here. But we got to get people in here to hang out just for a little bit longer. Just for a little bit longer. Make sure, if you haven't, you got to check out the Discord. You got to go to danielcurtishughes.com. And be sure you are also using the links in the description to directly support the channel. Maybe everyone is just over at Crypto Lifer stream. Let's see. Yeah, crypto. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what Sammy's saying. Gummy.
Check RSR, bro. It's a simple meme coin. Yeah.
He's the lifer. He's super chill. Mellow lifer. Shout out to Sam Price. Kind of doing what I've been doing, going through the deck screener, looking at the stuff. We got some things. We got some things we were gonna check as well. We'll go through the deck screener as well. I don't know where did we. I guess we might have closed one of those tabs. Let's see. Or some recently closed windows. No. We had... There we go. Look at this one. Yeah, we had Ponky. Ponky looks like it's actually just kind of still going up here. And then we were looking at Bento. Bento on base. What else on base? Let's look at what else is going on base. We have Brett, obviously. Yeah, Brett, if you're wondering what Brett is, we've talked about it. We think it's going to be one of the top coins on base. It is currently in terms of market cap and the trading volume, so we got to watch out for Brett. Definitely building a little DCA bag of Brett. Thank you guys for spending any of your Saturday coming into the live stream, just popping in, hanging out for a little bit, chatting. Yeah, this Bento is interesting. They did an airdrop to 1.1 million people. I think it's because it's going to sneak up on people. It's going to sneak up on people. You haven't really been hearing too much about it, but... And then all of a sudden, it's just going to go up like 250, 300%. gotta remember, like, things like Pepe, Doge, Shiba Inu, Floki, all these coins, they had these days and weeks where they would just go up parabolically, just an insane amount, where it was just uncontrollable. Just insanity. Like, we look at the Floki chart, we look at the weekly, and just, I mean, the dang thing just from February to March was just up only. Oh yeah, so Kakinu, we've talked about that as well. This thing pumped as well. Had on the weekly, had these two from February to March. Yeah, so I've swapped in it. I haven't tried to sell it yet. So that's the thing. I'm curious to see what happens when everyone tries to take some profit. So I feel like they already have, because if you look at the chart, you know, there's been obvious selling. I mean, looks like you can sell it. There's no buy or sell tax. So when you sell it, it doesn't like take 50% of what you have. So, I mean, it's an experiment. It could be just a massive experiment where they're like, hey, we got the liquidity. It looks like the 99.99% locked liquidity for 10 years. So, I mean, it's 24-hour volume is 3.10 million. So, I mean, that's huge. So, I'm watching Bento. I've been getting these airdrops in the wallet. So, let's see what's happening right now in terms of the overall profits and what's happening in the wallet, because you have to check. Easiest way to do this, guys, is to just, you know, you have your MetaMask and then you click on the dashboard, and then in the dashboard you can easily add networks straight from the dashboard, see what coins are suspicious coins, malicious coins, and then also see what are legit airdrop tokens, because sometimes you'll just get tokens in your wallet and they are either safe or they're not. A lot of times you just have to do your due diligence and research about that coin and say, hey, you know what, what the heck is this? And it could turn out to be something pretty substantial. Yeah, so right now that $35-$40 of Bento turned into $80. So not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. How will you know? I don't know what happened. I had the green Lambo up. So my hair, I was like in full Jesus mode in this point in time of my life. Oh, okay. Let's see what this is. Cool. Let's watch this. This would be fun to watch. Shout out to Randy. Shout out to Randy Hipper.
Even live. Then you have the reason of inflation, all these wars going on, where now the American dream, like I mentioned last time with you, is dying, and these kids, they're just kind of doomsday spending, because why not have fun now if I may not be able to do that later on in life?
So we got the Bitcoin halving coming on. I think is it tonight at 10 p.m.? Is that the official number?
It might be around 10 p.m.
It might be. It feels like, you know, in the market, there's an old saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. It feels like the Bitcoin may have gotten ahead of itself in part because of the halving. What typically happens? This will be the fourth time. What should we expect over the next year or 2 years after this?
I think you should look back at the past halvings. First halving, Bitcoin was around $12. Next time it was $6.50, and this is around every 4 years. And then the last time was around mid-2020. It was around $8,500. So instead of worrying about the short term, when in doubt, zoom out on the charts, and you could see that Bitcoin's price appreciation is nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I think it's been number one asset like 11 of the last 13 years. I got a video of you. I want to ask you about this because you're doing more than just talking about it. You're doing it. You're actually teaching classes now. We'll show the audience a little bit of what you're doing here. This is so impressive. I mean, you've always been an advocate of education. Where was this?
This was Severian High School. This was my 3rd year in a row going back there. I've gone to tons of colleges like Utah Valley University, Columbia University, middle schools, high schools, and adults, just to spread adoption and inform people about a new technology, because this is a digital revolution we're a part of, Charles.
And they're embracing it, right?
Absolutely. We've been using digital currency since we were younger, buying iTunes gift cards.
Man, this is so inspiring, because like this is what is pushing. She's pushing the bound. You know, she's pushing it. She is actually going out to schools and doing things like I've talked about this before in other different things, like, oh, we should like be teaching yoga and meditation in schools like that. Oh, like we should start doing that. And but like this is so cool. This is like when you're really into something, and then you can be able to use your knowledge to the benefit of to benefit other people and help them, learn about our financial system. That's so bullish. I love it. I love it.
Taking that virtual money, buying virtual currencies, buying virtual items within games. This is nothing new to us, but now we own it. We're empowered by it. We're able to be our own bank, transact 24/7, 365 with no censorship, and cross-border. What's better than that?
I don't know. All I can tell you is you the first time you told me to buy Bitcoin, I think I'd be up at least 200% from now. So from there on, next time you get to class, don't be surprised you see me sitting in the back.
Join me, Charles. I'll always be happy to have you.
Miss Teen Crypto, you're not a teen anymore. All right, thank you.
I love that. I love that last line.
Virtual currencies, buying virtual items within games. This is nothing new to us, but now we own it. We're empowered by it. We're able to be our own bank, transact 24/7, 365 with no censorship, and cross-border. What's better than that?
I don't know. All I can tell you is you the first time you told me to buy Bitcoin.
Love it. Super bullish. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, shout out to Randy Hipper. Go and subscribe to her channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. And we're going to be doing some members only live streams here pretty soon. We're going to start them next week, and I will make an announcement in the Discord and also in the member section when we'll be doing that live stream and what we are going to be doing during those live streams, what we're going to be talking about, and it's going to be cool. It's going to be cool, guys. So if you want to be a part of that, if you want to be a part of the membership live streams, you have to become a member. So, but you do get you get a lot of other different cool benefits. You get, these really amazing sneaky Pepe badges. So when you're in the chat, you look super cool. You get the ability to send one of the best Dano Crypto Dojo emojis, but we're gonna get some really awesome ones made. We're gonna get some really cool custom ones made. More coming soon. But all right, guys, I really do appreciate it. Thanks for being in live. Let's check on the trades, and then I will see you guys starting back Monday. We'll be streaming every single day, Monday through Saturday, except on Sundays. But watch out for videos dropping on Sunday, though. We will still be making videos on Sunday, but we will not be live streaming. So, all right. So it's looking... not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. All right, guys. I will see you Monday. Peace out. Sunday, though. We will still be making videos on Sunday, but we will not be live streaming. So